Welcome to GoZen HyperReach demo tutorial, the ultimate tool to personalize your cold outreach and drive results faster. Whether you're in sales, marketing, or customer engagement, we've built a solution that helps you reach your prospects more effectively. Now, let us explore the key features of GoZen HyperReach. When you first log in, you will be on your IP to People menu. With this IP to People feature, you can identify visitors by matching their IP addresses to detailed profiles like name, email, locations, making your outreach more personalized and targeted. You need to first create the ICP list. Creating your ideal customer profile list is simple. Just head to the IP to People section on your dashboard and click on Create ICP List. Type or select the ICP names, job title, country, and key details to tailor your list. Next, click on Get Script. Name the script and click on the Submit button. Finally, paste the script into your site and start collecting valuable visitor data to enrich your leads. You can also book a one-on-one free onboarding session and lead guidance. After you have pasted the script, you will find the people who are visiting your websites. You'll find the name of the company, the visits, domain, location, industry, and analytics. When you click on that, you will have their company's details and the URLs they have visited. And you can see all the people that are in their organization, and you can also see the people who match your ICP. You can click on Add to List to send them an email campaign. And when you click on Personalized Mail, you can check your campaign for the personalized emails. Now let us see our next feature, the Org Builder. The Organization Builder streamlines campaign setup by allowing you to effortlessly save company details for future use and for personalizing campaigns. First, you need to set up your company details. Click on Add Company. And after you have added your company, select Campaign Goal. Choose a specific goal such as scheduling or meeting or engaging with leads to tailor your outreach. Now select the tone and choose the LinkedIn fields that you want to personalize emails based on that specific information. And click on Next. Now you can generate personalized emails using our custom prompts and you can modify your content here and give it a folder name. And click on Create. This Org Builder streamlines campaign setup by allowing you to effortlessly save company details for future use. Now let us see how to personalize email campaigns. Click on Personalize Mail. You need to choose on these options to get started. To personalize for a large number of data, you can click on Personalize List, or if you want to personalize for a single profile, you can click on Personalize Single Profile. When you click on Personalize List, if you're a new user, click on Add New Org and then provide your company name, website and description. If you're already an existing user, simply choose the company from the list. After you have uploaded the CSV containing your prospect information, click on Next. And now ensure the columns are ordered as follows. Once the columns are in order, click to Proceed. Next. And this process would take up to a few minutes. You will get an email saying that all your personalized emails for your list has been ready. You can also find the email by clicking on Find Email. The email automation allows users to create high personalized email campaigns effectively. And after the personalized data has been generated, click on Email Automation. The Analytics feature provides insight into the campaign performance, allowing users to track key metrics such as open rates, click-through rates, and conversions. On the sequence feature allows users to set up automated email sequences based on their user actions, ensuring timely and structured follow-up emails for better engagement. When you click on this Personalization tab, and when you click on Preview, you can see personalization for each LinkedIn profile you have provided. You can copy and edit this content, or you can schedule. The schedule feature facilitates the planning and timing of email campaigns, and users can select specific dates and times for their emails to be sent. Let me show you with a single profile. Select the company, identity, and choose your goal, and enter your recipient's LinkedIn profile username, and select the fields. Click on Compose Mail. You can see that HyperReach AI uses AI to automatically gather insights about the prospects and generate personalized email content. You can also scale these personalized emails and LinkedIn messages to a larger audience without losing a human touch. GoZen HyperReach Chrome extension. This Chrome extension gives you real-time insights on your prospects directly from your browser. Easily access valuable information about potential customers, making it simpler to engage and boost your sales while you browse. To install the HyperReach.ai extension, follow these steps. Open your Google Chrome browser and go to the Chrome Web Store and search for GoZen HyperReach AI Chrome extension on the search bar. And click on the Add to Chrome button and click on Add Extension. Now you need to insert your API key here. Head to Integrations and click on Get API Key. Copy the API key and click on Connect. Now you are connected to HyperReach.ai Chrome extension. Install the Chrome extension and pasted your API key. When you click on your prospect's profile, you will find this icon here. When you click on that, you can start creating your email, and you can also find the email. When you click on Find Email, you can see that this person's email is visible here. Now you can start personalizing the email based on the prospect information. Click on Confirm and Continue and select which campaign and select your goal and select your tone. Copy and directly send emails from here. To connect to G Suite account, click on Sign in with Google, or you can connect with any SMTP provider. You need to choose your account from the list of accounts. You can see that your account has been connected, and you can start sending out emails from your account. But if you're connecting to an IMAP or an SMTP, you will need to go through these following steps. You need to enter your email address, first name, last name, username and password. If two-factor authentication is enabled, use your app-specified password, otherwise just enter the mailbox password. Enter the port number provided by your email service provider to complete the connection.